I'm testing headrest for the car. I have connected one of them. I'm gonna show you how does it look. You can play DVD here, and your kids can see DVD there. Or, for example, let's take radio. Okay, you want to listen radio here at the front, and your kids will be able to watch DVD in the back. So it has a so-called dual zone function, and those headrests, they have headphones jack, so they can listen everything to, oh, here's the light, to the headphones. So, and also, okay, let's go back to DVD. Let's stop it. The dual zone function can be applied also to, no, I don't have SD card, I have USB. It can be applied also for the SD card or USB you have. So you can see you want to listen to the radio, but in the back people can watch, listen any other source you choose from here. So it's a very good function, the dual zone. Okay, what else? Let's go back to USB. Let's stop it. Now I want to show you the digital TV function. First of all, I want to introduce you. There are two types of digital TV tuners. Most common is the box you buy. It's like this with two antenna connections and RCA cables going at the back of the unit, and you get remote control and you get the infrared lead. The big minus of those type of boxes is that they are bulky and they cannot be operated from the touch screen. You have to operate those kind of TV boxes only through the remote control supplied. So everything, volume changes, channel changing, menu, everything has to be done through this. For this type of car stereos, I'm buying from one supplier, one manufacturer. They have so-called smart TV tuner. It's only for the units with this kind of menu. They produce for hundreds of different cars, so if you want for any other car than Skoda, you can just email me and I will find you the right unit with the smart digital TV box. It's look like this. It's MPEG 4 digital TV tuner, really small, smaller than let's say a pack of cigarettes, and it comes with the two antennas, so it's a dual tuner inside. It's a Dipcom, really powerful tuner. Not only one tuner but two tuners inside, two antennas, so they receive two signals, combine them, put together, and that's why you have really good quality picture on the move. So this unit is connected directly to the head unit, and you can operate it via touch screen. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here is all Irish digital TV channels. So as I told you, this is MPEG-4, so you can receive any channels in your country if it's MPEG-4 digital TV tuner. And let's see, so here is the menu. You can go through any kind of installation, system, channel list, all kind of options are here. Automatic, manual, search, system settings, and so on, and everything can be done through remote control as well. So let's exit it. Exit here. RT1 is here. RT2, RT3, DG car. And so on. Also, it receives the radio channels, digital radio channels, and the same way like with the DVDs or any other media I showed you before. You can play, for example, TV programs there, and here you want to listen to the radio.